Hi, my name is Jessica, and today I'll be discussing the following article, Koalas on Kangaroo Island, From Introduction to Pest Species in Less Than a Century. From 1923 to 1925, 18 koalas were introduced to Kangaroo Island. Though not a native species, they were introduced as a reserve population in case of disaster to the mainland population of South Australia. So by 1994, there was an estimated population of around 5,000 koalas, with many areas becoming quickly overpopulated. So a management program was started in 1997 to 2000, in which 3,000 koalas were sterilised and 1,000 koalas were translocated. However, during this time, it was found that the population estimate of 5,000 koalas was severely underestimated. So, how many koalas are there on Kangaroo Island? A study in 2000 to 2001's aim was to find out just how many koalas called Kangaroo Island home. Firstly, the island was divided into vegetation subgroups. There was a total of 132 subgroups, of which 33 were identified as potential koala habitat. As can be seen here, the island was split into 6 different areas, with 5 having koalas. Within the 5 areas, 120 sites were selected to be surveyed from, depending on habitat quality. They were then divided into high, medium and low quality habitat depending on the composition of eucalypt tree found in that area. Each site varied in shape but was a total of 5 hectares. Each area was then counted for koalas using a 2-count mark recapture technique. This was done using 2 observers which searched the site independently. If a koala was observed, the base of the tree was marked. If the second observer observed that same koala in that tree, this was counted as a recapture. The following formula was used to calculate the size of the koala population, in which B is the number of koalas found by both observers, S1 is the number of koalas found by the first observer but missed by the second, and S2 is the number of koalas found by the second observer but missed by the first. The estimated population came to approximately 27,000 koalas. This differed greatly from the 1994 estimate of 5,000 koalas. This may have been due to the unrecognised spread prior to population management in 1997. It appears that the management has also helped to decline densities. For example, in high quality habitat prior to management, there was approximately 3.57 koalas per hectare. Now, through translocation and sterilisation, this number appears to have dropped to 1.97 koalas per hectare. So, while it seems that management has been effective, this was based on lower population numbers. So, for management to continue to decrease numbers, this will have to be carefully analysed in the future. Thank you for listening.